We have followed all of the steps in the scientific method and can now draw our final conclusion, that plant roots prefer to grow in the direction of the vibrations made by running water. Plants can actually use the vibrations made by water pipes as a cue to find the water that they need to survive. This finding is a real breakthrough in plant biology and reveals an ability of plants that until recently was unknown to scientists. This phenomenon is akin to animals hearing water or smelling food. Congratulations, you have just conducted science and proved something amazing. Plants are clearly capable of many things that we're only now beginning to understand. And if you think this is just a fictional story to teach you the scientific method, think again. Our observation is actually based on real-life phenomena and is known to plumbers across the world. By using the intuitive steps of the scientific method, you are able to experimentally investigate this observation and reach the same conclusions that scientists in Australia reached in their laboratory. From our initial observation that roots grow toward water pipes, we asked a question and formed a hypothesis. We then tested this hypothesis in a suitable experiment and analyzed the data. From our initial conclusion, it was clear that we needed to further iterate on the scientific method. Conclusions often inspire more questions that lead to another cycle of the scientific method, until a more satisfying or complete explanation is reached and the cycle ends. Without knowing the scientific background of plant root growth, we intuitively followed our own logic and arrived at an exciting explanation, the same explanation that has sparked academic curiosity throughout various laboratories across the world. While we now know that plants possess these strange abilities, we still don't know how it all works. Will you be the one to take this research forward? Will you uncover how plants sense and use vibrations to find resources without having any known sense of hearing or even a brain?